Yo, chat, can you guys hear me? Is the sound good? Is the sound good, chat? You did you take any trading learning session? Bro, I did not trade it today, but there was a good chance on London session on GBP USD. Let me show you that. Where's my session? Yes. So this was that trade I missed. So we had this SMT down there with that Asian sessions low during the London kill zone, and we had this buy side on GU, bro. That's the buy side liquidity pool I was looking on GBP USD. I missed that one, but let's see. I think it's gonna continue moving higher today. By the chat, give me a moment. Let me yeah, right. Hello, bro. How you guys been, chat? How's your weekend? Right, we have some other liquidity pools. Bro, we have too many highs, too many low resistance liquidity runs on GBP USDT. These are equal highs, these are equal highs, this that's not equal high, but yeah, these are the these are low resistance liquidity runs. Go back to the daily time. My initial drawn liquidity on GBP USD is this high that there. I'm gonna look for that high over there uh, over this weekend. I, I mean, is it this week? I'll probably look for price to take out that high. Let's check out. Okay, Euro can take out these highs. It's boring. Go, I made a little bit money during Saturday and Sunday trading crypto. I was like getting too much bored and I traded. It's I think Doge. I took a trade on Doge and made a couple $100 on there. Bro, GBP and Euro is not gonna give any more chance today. I think it's either gonna run higher and during the London close, it will probably take a little bit of retracement. I'm not seeing any kind of retracement right now. By the way, chat, we have news today, I guess, a medium impact news for USD. Yeah, at 8:30 we have a news for DXY. Do you think you will take all those today? Bro, I do not think Euro can take out those highs, but GU is probably gonna move faster than Euro today. But Euro can take out that high there. Days too high are the high probability for Euro. Uh, Look for these too high to be taken on Euro. Yeah, at least it should take out that one. But if you see like some SMT forms here, what I'm waiting for, like I don't want to see price just continue from here towards upside. I need to see the low form, the low of the week form around here, I guess. Let me show you where I'm talking about that. Okay, I want to see the low of the week forms around here, bro. Right around here. Maybe we see some sort of SMT here with GBP, and we're gonna take a little bit of retracement, make the low of the week, and probably go higher the rest of the week. But you can still look for buys today. If you see some SMTs on the lower time frame or kind of OTE setup, you can go long, bro. But GU is gonna move quicker than Euro today, bro. Just keep in mind, bro. Yep. By the way, chat, we may not see the may not see any retracement today, and we may not form the low of the week, uh, taking out that low right there. What the fuck? All right. Do you have a chat? We do have a SMT right now with Euro on GBP. You say GBP made a higher high, but Euro did not take out that high yet. So if we see some sort of if we see a swing high forms right below that swing high, we might see Euro or GBP take out the recent swing low, and you could probably go long for when you see price take out that low. One of these two probably gonna take out the recent swing low, bro. What are these entry model with no call, bro? And is it a ICT concept? But I did not understand what you meant by that. I can just tell you to go long from here, but there are some uh, requirements to get into a trade from me. I'm telling you the narrative, like how price could possibly go from here, or go in which direction. There are no clean setup right here. Price is middle of something right now, and you can just go long from here. It's up to you, but that's not my strategy or model. All right, chat. Let me tell you what I'm waiting for. I want to see one of these two. I mean, Euro or GBP, like this. Take out a swing high. I mean, swing low, then go higher. And when that occurs, like when price take out that low right there, I want to see one of them fail to take out that low. So that would be my entry to go long. But if price doesn't give me that, I'm not gonna get into any trade. I want to see a sweep below a low, or when I'm bullish, and I want to see a sweep above a high when I'm bearish, bro. So let's see the others. All right, let's see these pairs. So, okay, USD cat has taken out that low. So what the fuck? All right, chat on USD cat. Look for this low here. This low gonna be taken this week. This this is gonna be a low resistant liquidity run for USD cat. Keep in mind, price gonna move toward that low there too smooth, and you will see that happen. Maybe if not today, then maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow we have CPI. Do we have CPI tomorrow? Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, we have CPI for cat. See, we have CPI for cat. So probably cat gonna take out this low and move a little bit more lower. So yeah, you can look for some setup tomorrow at during the London kill zone. Do not go short during the New York kill zone. Look for any setup to go short during the London kill zone. That way you're gonna be safe when the CPI news hit. And do not trade like 1 or like 5 minute time frame. Just have a little bit bigger stop loss. At least at least for me, I would probably keep like 25 to 30 pips stop loss. But because that target is there is huge, bro. Yeah, that's like 30 pips. So I would probably do like 15 to 20 pips for that trade. All right, we have a tap into a fair value gap right there. USD JPY. All right, USD JPY maybe gonna take out that low right there, but I'm not sure about this low right here. This is a high resistance liquidity run, bro. For me, to see USD JPY take out that load there is uh, a bit difficult for USD JPY to take out that low. I'll probably look for this low right there. Let's have a look at USD CHR. All right. By the way, chat, the previous week was good for the indices also. We did some good setup during the New York session on NAS. Just take all this off. Alright, we have taken out that all-time high on NAS. We have taken out this daily high. Friday's daily high been taken also on NAS. Alright. Guys, if we see like SMT forms right here on NAS, I'll probably look for some shorts riding down there. Yep. Just wait for the 9:30 opening for to look for any setup on NAS. But I'll probably wait and see if we can form a SMT right here. Okay, let's go back to Euro. Did Euro make that high? Alright, Euro didn't make that higher high, I guess. That's what I was looking for, bro. But we did not make that higher high on Euro. So I'll probably wait and see if one of these two take out a recent swing low. Let me go to 15 time. All right. Are you in that USD cat trade? No, I haven't taken any trade yet, bro. I just opened the chart, bro. Wait for this hourly candle closer. Wait for this hourly candle close. And if you see a fair value gap right there, you can probably take a setup like this. Keep your I'd probably suggest you to keep your stop loss above the Asian session high, more like this. So that's a two-hour trade. If we see a fair value gap formation on the hourly chart and price tap into that, but for now I'm not in a trade. I'll probably just uh, see the charts play out today? Chat, we also see some SMT on the hourly chart. If you look closely, this high on euro is intact right now, but that high on GBP already been swept. I mean, already been taken out by that move right there. Already been taken right there. So I think you might want to wait a little bit more to consider any setup today. Price just can reverse from there and go lower and make the low of the week. Is there any stable gap there? No, no. There's no fair value gap right within these price range, except this small one. We might get a optimal trade entry setup today if we go long, I guess. Right, that way. Yep. All right. Yeah, Europe probably won't wanna go lower, but I think Geo is gonna take out that low, bro. If we probably not gonna see any sort of as what do you say, optimal trade entry on GBP, but on Euro we could see that. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream, and yeah, if you're new here, sub up, bro. I'm mysterious, bro, just like your name, and that doesn't even matter. Bro, it's not like that I don't want to say where I'm from, but I'll reveal it soon, bro. Just wait. Where the fuck? Alright, now it's okay. Wish you all the best. Thanks, bro. You guys too much worrying about where I'm from. You should focus on the charts, bro. Just focus on the charts, and if you have anything else, for any more questions prior to the prior to trading, you can ask me. Chat, I think we might tap into that fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame, and we might use that as an inversion fair value gap and run down there. Yeah, and if we're gonna continue moving higher, then we probably reversed from after taking that high there. That type of scenario I would like to see on GU, bro. Yep. Or that fair value gap is in the 5 minute time frame. My mistake, bro. Right. Bro, DXY also made a higher lows on, and Euro made lower high, but we see GU made that higher high, bro. So that's pure manipulation right there. Right there it falls. You see from where it falling right now, from that mean threshold of that bearish order plug, bro. Good morning, traders. Yeah, good morning, Barney. Outlooks for gold, bro. Gold's going crazy this whole month, bro. Let me see. What the fuck? I was supposed to have joys. Yeah, right now it's in a range. Okay, look for this high to be taken today. That Friday high to be taken today because we have taken out that Friday low, daily low. So we have that high right now. And I think right now is the best time to take a long on gold to uh, targeting that high right there because we're at that opening of the day right now. Bro, what the fuck is this, bro? What the fuck are these, bro? Like what, bro? All right, wait for it to break that high right there. That's all I can say. If you wanna go long, wait for that high to be broken. If you don't see that, just wait for a low to be taken. Either way, you can go long. First setup like this, and the next one probably like this. Yeah, just have a bigger stop loss if you take a trade after going long uh, while price take out that high. Yeah, you could keep a stop loss like this. Yeah, right. Yeah, it is, bro. I do not trade it, bro. But it's in a range market right now. It's all ranging right now. You see all this move, it's ranging. But we do have something on here right now. Let me show you. It's at the 50% of this range. So either way, it's gonna go higher or lower. But we have taken out that sell stops right there. So we might wanna go higher and take out that high because that high is intact right now on gold. That's why I might be bullish on gold. Bro, what am I saying? Just listen to it, bro. And we also have taken out this low here. So we have taken too many sell stop right there. So it might want to go higher right now. But it's up to you guys. I'm not gonna like uh, say that you should go long right now, but it's up to you. Just have proper risk management while you enter the trade. But there is a fair value gap right there, but we do not see any sort of low taken. All right, Chet, I'm not gonna uh, pull this short anymore. Let's see how you are doing. All right, bro, we are having some reaction of that 5 minute BC right there. I'm long at 3664 looking for Friday highs. Yeah, that's what I just said, bro. If it swept that level, we will expect, sorry, will we expect it to continue? It can, bro. It can continue higher, but how am I supposed to say that exactly? I don't know, bro. But it can go higher. Just look, if you're trading gold, consider those news that comes out about gold. You should keep your eyes on the news also. See, check out CNBC for those news. You might find something there. We tap into that 5 minute fair value gap. 5 minute CB right there. So let's see. Yep, bro. How much pips is this? Okay, it's like 10 pips right there. But let's see if it's gonna go down there or just gonna continue higher. So do we have anything here? Chad, if we see this candle close above that uh, CB high, you can take a long, I guess, but just keep a small stop loss because I don't want to risk too much on that trade. But just wait to have a candle closure. You can put your stop loss right there and probably target for 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 1 or yeah, do not target for much, but yeah, just wait for a candle closure because I think if I don't see price come down right there, it might go higher. Which pair should I trade? Because these days gold is going crazy. Bro, you can check US 30, NAS. So NAS also is at all-time high, but let's check at US 30. Bro, you can probably like trade US 30, I guess. US 30 moved so nicely. Did what I exactly said, bro. We have taken out that highs from that fair value gap. We are into that small bullish fair value gap. Yeah, you can trade US 30, I guess. It's moving too clean. Yep. All right. Euro has taken out that high. Just wait for GU to take out that high also. You can either wait for GU to take out that high because we might see some manipulation right there. We can see swing low forms sorry, swing high forms there, like SMT. But uh, if you wanna like feel more safe, just wait for that high to be broken, and then on a 1 minute or yeah, on 1 minute or 3 minute time frame, you could look for a fair value gap and go long after that. Okay, we have closed above that uh, CB high. You can go long if you want to chat, but it's up to you. Just manage your risk properly. Yeah, we chat. I think you can go long right now because we have violated that high on euro. We have violated that high. I think now GU is gonna move. Once we take out that high, euro is just gonna go up. So, all right, we're about to take out that high on GU. All right, let's leave it, and I'm not gonna trade today. Um, I'm gonna just see you guys trade today. Let's see chat, and yeah, uh, put it on the live chat after this trade if it goes in the direction of our analysis. Uh, just put how much you made on the live chat, bro. All right, it's going higher, bro. You can probably hold that trade, but when it reaches 1:2, just take 50% or maybe 60 to 70% off of that trade. There it goes. There it goes, boys. All right, we are about to take out that high. Let me have some chewing gum, bro. All right, we have taken out that high, and now I guess we're up like 1 hour. This trade already delivered like 1 hour right now. Give me a moment, sir. Guys, move your stop loss a little bit higher if you're too scared of uh, too scared to keep that his stop loss. Just move a little bit, maybe below that. We have a balanced price point right there, so you can move your stop loss right below that candle slope if you want to. But you should have taken something off right there. Uh, Is anyone in this trade right now? Chat. Is anyone in this trade right now? I want to see that candle right there, hold price bro. If we are going to continue higher from there, I want to see that candle hold price. I don't want to see price uh, invalidate that bullish order block right there. Okay, all right. Euro is already moving from that bullish order block, bro, right there. Why the fuck the church skip? I mean, okay. Make sure you take up something off of the trade while your the trade almost went like 50% of your initial target. By the way, chat, besides just taking trade off of this analysis right there, sometimes try to understand what am I seeing in the chart that I'm suggesting you to go long or short. I mean, how am I supposed to uh, give you that directional bias for certain for these sessions? So sometimes try to understand from where are we moving and where it's gonna go next. Like those type of things gonna help you more. Okay, we tapped into the mean threshold of the order block right there. Let's see if price can hold up, bro. We do have some uh, fair value gaps right there, but I am okay to see some wick down there. Let me show you. I'm okay to see price leave some wick right there, but I don't want to see a body close because that's right there is a balanced price range. What the fuck? 0.01 lot. All right, bro. Just get out when you have your target. How much is that? If it's 0 point, is it 12 bucks? I think it's 12 bucks. Now this fucker should move well. Say why the charts keep fuck bro shrinking like that again, bro. What the fuck? It's all right. Yet it goes down there. If you see a body close, like if this balanced price trend doesn't support price to go higher, you should get out of the trade. Just keep in mind, bro. We already tapped into a 5 minute bullish fair value gap right now. If you can see that, let me show you. Right there, we tap into that 5 minute bullish order block, and we have that balanced price range there. So we don't want to see price uh, just close there. Now I want to see some nice move from here. So some quick sudden move. Okay, there is also a 3 minute fair value gap drop. All right, so many things are aligning with this trade right now. If it's gonna go there, it's gonna go now. Let's just wait and see. What the fuck is this, bro? DXY is just moving lower and lower. Why the fuck GU is not even moving? Look at Euro. What the fuck? Whatever, bro. I think it's because Euro have these highs right here as a raw liquidity for today, but GU already took out those high, that high right there. But it should at least move a little more higher during this session. But it's gonna be a little bit slower, bro. Okay, let's see, chat. Let's see if price can go higher from there anymore. Chat, make sure to give a thumbs up to the stream. And yeah, if you're new here, just sub up, subscribe to the channel, bro. All right, this motherfucker gonna take time. Chat, if you don't see sudden reaction from that balanced price range, just close the trade because that gonna mean that GU probably gonna go lower or maybe not gonna move uh, quicker like Euro. Yep. Monday, I'm done. I'm done for today. Took a good win in London session. Great, bro. All right, it didn't even tap into that yet. So yeah, be careful, Jack. I'll probably just take this off. I'm just gonna use that balanced price range. Right, let's see. Bro, this shit is not even moving. That's pissing me off right now. Even if I'm not in a trade. If I was in a trade, I was in this trade right now, I would go mad, bro. That's why I can't like stand these trades, bro. What I do, I just do my analysis and yeah, uh, get into the trade, put my limit orders for the take profit target and the stop loss, get out, do something else. How much point was that on the euro? Okay, euro already moved like 11 pips, bro. And geos is just, what should I say, bro? All right, it tapped into that balanced price range. Just look how it reacts off of that. Yep. Boys, put your stop loss right below that balanced price range. Just right below that balanced price range. Right there, as you see on the chart. And take like, if you have like one lot or something more like then, just take 80% off and move your stop loss uh, to break even when we take out that high. that swing high to the left. This is GBP, bro. Euro did move clean today because Euro have this buy side. I talked about this when we started the stream. Euro's gonna move and take out these highs today probably, but uh, we might see. Yeah, but I think we're not gonna see any SMT. I think this full week we probably gonna see some very bullish scenario on Euro and GU. All right, how much point did it move from there? Fuck, it's now time stalling. Chat, we have a news at 8:30. It's a medium impact news, but you should consider that too. Yeah, bro, Euro is going for previous week's high, but I'm not trading any pairs today. I made some money today and yesterday. Yeah, both these days I made some money on crypto. That's why I'm taking a break, bro. If I take any more trade, it might, like, if I lose any more. I mean, if I lose one right now, it's not gonna leave a good mental effect on me. So I'll probably just stay out of the game today. Chat, I'm not feeling well about this trade right here. Just take something off when he hit that high. Where are you from? Bro, I am ICT's neighbor, bro. Please to check why. Chat. Alright. Bro, there are too many opportunities today, but I'm not gonna go into any trade. Bro, I should not say that there's too many opportunity today. If I keep saying that, I'll probably get into a trade. I sit a new lecture today. Yes, bro. It's gonna be active like before on X, and those fools are now silent. Did you saw that conversation on X with Casper? Chat. If the next candle doesn't run there, just cut the trade. I don't wanna. It might go there, but the next candle at least should. Uh, Let me show you that. At least should close out there. Not this candle, the next candle. If the next candle doesn't go there and close out that high, just cut the trade. Even if it goes to our directions. No, bro. I'm telling you guys, ICT's neighbor, bro. I just landed like 6 months on Earth. I was in Mars. That's why my accent sucks, bro. Alright, chat. 2 minutes and 25 seconds left for this candle closure. I want to see the next candle go right through that high. Okay, we're respecting that balanced price range though. By the way, chat, give a thumbs up to the stream. And chat, go and follow me on X. I'm too close to hit 500 followers on X. I'm also posting some chart screenshots also there. Atlas giveaway accounts. Did you blow that, bro? Right. That's what I was saying. Either you're gonna get stopped out in this candle or the next candle. But just wait. Let it be a loss, bro. Let it be a loss. If you're in this trade, let it be. Just wait for the next candle. Because who knows? It might just rip through high, bro. No, then what, bro? What are the sad news? That's the most saddest news. Not from me, but are you in drawdown right now? Might be that. Because there's two way you can be. They only let you withdraw max 2% of the account type. I think that's on their website also, bro. But that's on single payout, not on all payout, bro. You can have multiple payouts, and yeah, if you get 2% each time, if you get a five withdrawals, then it's like 10% on the account, bro. So that's $1,000 on a 10K account. And you have to trade or wait 60 days for a payout. What the fuck? I didn't know that, bro. We have to trade or wait 60 days is bullshit, bro. Not It's not 60 days. I think it's less than that, bro. Go check out their website, bro. It's not a lot. No, it's a lot of waiting and not really worth it. No, I mean only the giveaway account. What the fuck? Only the giveaway account? Okay, Bernie, just send me your screenshots. If that is their policy, I'll probably just cut the deal with them. Let me just talk to them about this. Have you paused the account though? Have you paused the account? If you have paused the account, just send me the screenshots of this conversation. Okay, first pass that account and then send me the screenshots of that conversation, and I'll probably ask them about this giveaway accounts rules. But do you know other props giveaway rules like that? If they have this type of rules to give a payout, okay, we took a See, that's why I was, though it moved a little bit on our favor, but initially we get stopped out. So you guys should not take any more trade today on Geo. Right. Now I'm just gonna see it play out. Okay, we only need to trade for more days and need like, okay, then pass it, bro. Pass the account and uh, talk to somebody, like if anyone got a giveaway account from other prop, and if they got a like payout from them, what was their requirements to get the payout from a giveaway account. If you find, if you have any friends like that, just inform me about that. I'll probably talk to them. But if it's really that case with Atlas Funded, I'll probably just cancel the affiliation, bro. Okay, with 53 seconds left for the news. Bro, there's no like any setup right now on Euro or GU. GU has invalidated this setup right there. Whatever. Let's see something. Okay, we have the news, bro. Let's see what the. Oh, I'll check on the Pro has also an affiliate account and give it. The news didn't do shit, bro. All right. Let me check the news a little bit. Okay, it's pending right now, or 8.7. Okay, Geo's probably go a little bit higher right now. By the way, if anyone wants to take any more trade, you should go with Euro. Just go with Euro, targeting those two high, not with Geo. Let me see that one more time. But I don't think Geo is gonna move anymore today. Yeah, either it's gonna go down right now, take out that low, and maybe take out the uh, New York session high on London close, then go lower. And tomorrow we might see these highs taken. If it's a like uh, regular week, but if we're very bearish, bullish right now, we might go just higher today also. Yeah, there was no red polar news today, but there was a medium impact news, bro. All right, it's chat. Just give me a moment. I'll be on the mic. Just I need to close the live window just for 5 minutes. All right. Mhm, 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 mhm. Chat, if anyone took any loss right now, just do not trade anymore today. Just wait. Do not take any revenge trade right now, because who knows, maybe you're gonna get a very nice trade tomorrow. But if you blow the account today, then how you supposed to trade tomorrow? So just wait for tomorrow. By the way, if you are enjoying this stream so far, just give a thumbs up to the stream. I sent you a message request on Discord. Bernie, you should text me on X, bro. Oh, what? What the fuck? Bro, I'm mumbling right. What the fuck? It's okay, bro. I'll check the message request, whatever. But I'm getting like too many requests on Discord. That's why, bro. USD cat is fuck. What the fuck, bro? Bro, USD cat gonna take out these lows today? What the fuck? Is that gonna be a low resistance liquidity? Oh, right. We had an fair value gap on the 50. What the fuck, bro? Could have taken that. Oh, whatever, bro. Do not reach that low today. Just wait for tomorrow. Just wait for me till tomorrow, bro. Hey, USD cat, wait for me. Do not reach down there, bro. Do it tomorrow. Tomorrow go more than that. How many, how much loss did you guys took on that GU trade, chat? How much loss did you guys took on that trade? Put it on the chat right now. All right. Okay, there's nothing. Is there any fair value gap? No. I think we tapped into. Did you tap into that? No. Is there any fair value gap on the pyramid? No. No. Nothing on the fuck. There's nothing on euro to go long, bro. Euro not even giving any chance. Um, you could go long right now, putting your stop loss right below that bullish order block and target that high. Just a small trade, but make sure, but know that it's a high risk trade, bro. That's a high risk trade right there. But there's like a huge probability that euro can go higher right now. But what should I say? What the fuck? If this bitch right now, I'm gonna go mad, bro. On the G2 losses, but it's on paper trading. Then it's fine, bro. If you took too well on paper trade, it's totally fine, bro. Chad, you can go long right now. Is there any fair value gap? Okay, we have a fair value gap on the 1 minute. Just wait for this fair value gap, I guess. If we don't go there, that's also a good scenario. You know what, chat? Just yeah, do not take any trade, bro. Just let's see this trade pan out. Do not take any trade today. By the way, chat, I'm clean today. I haven't taken any trade on euro or any forex pairs today. Uh, I'm just waiting for tomorrow. Let's see if I can get any opportunity tomorrow, bro. Chat, give a thumbs up to the stream and what else? Just go and join the Discord community. There's almost like 200 people right now in that community of mine. And yeah, go and follow me on X. I'm too close to hit uh, 500 followers right there. So I did good. I did good work. What? 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 Alright, I got out like on that candles. Oh, yep, yeah. Oh, there's nothing. Now we have a small fair value gap right there also on that. Chat, if price close below that on GU, it will go lower during the London close. I mean, sorry, the New York session. Before the 10 a.m., it's gonna continue lower. If we see a close below that. All right, this one is also L. All right, what do you place the line there? That line, I think that's the order block. Yeah, that these two consecutive candles right there. That's invalidated, bro. No, we have taken out that high. Okay, but Chad, let me just take it off. I'm not sure it's gonna continue anymore higher. We might continue lower from there. But if euro gonna continue higher, okay. If euro gonna continue higher, it should close above that bearish fair value gap right there. Those two candles, high and low, right there. It should close above that and take support off of it. But If we reject from there, we might go lower. All right, there it goes. There GU goes. Now GU is gonna go down, bro. We have these two uh, relative equal lows. There it goes. How much point was that from that? 5.4 pips. Yep, went down from that rejection block. We have taken out that buy, sorry, that buy side there, and it's probably gonna go lower and take out that low also. If we go down, G is gonna go quicker than Euro today. I mean, in term of retracement, G is probably be more quicker. Let me just take these off. Okay, we're about to take out those relative equal lows on Geo. Okay, we have a CB right there also. Did you take out any low on Euro? Euro didn't took out that low yet. Bro, it's too manipulated today. Euro and G is too much manipulated. For a moment, I feel like it's gonna go lower. Now it's showing me sign that it's gonna continue higher. What the fuck? But let's see. That's why, bro, I'm out today. Any advice in getting better at trading? But just don't quit, bro. Do not quit. Uh, have another income stream, and yeah, keep doing it until you are profitable. It might take you 4 years, it might take you 2 years, or it might take you 10 years. But once you have this skill set, you are not gonna need anything else, bro. This is like the most easiest way to make money in today's world, but it's also the hardest skill to acquire, bro. So yeah, just keep doing this shit, bro. And what else? Yeah, just try to do less on the charts. Try to do less. If you want to do too much on the chart, you'll get distracted and you'll probably not see any setup. But if you have like a simple strategy over time, if you see something on the charts repeating over and over, that's the that's the point where like you will see everything clearly there. Like that's the model you want to trade. Now we're taking support off of that. What the fuck? Alright, Euro tapped into that CB one more time. Okay, we're heading to the 9 a.m. Let's have a look at NAS. Did okay, we did not form any SMT on NAS today. Alright, yes, also we don't see any, we do not have any SMT right now. So yeah, that's why I told you to wait for the 9:30 opening. What's your strategy on the market? Bro, I exactly can't say that, but I can't just reveal my strategy or model, but I can say that I always look for low resistance liquidity runs. Like most of, like 90% of the time, I look for the external range liquidity because those are quick and too clean. But you have to train your eyes to see those thing on the chart. It's not gonna happen every week, but yeah, there are certain times when you're gonna see those type of sudden move. Like you see this one right there, that was a uh, low resistance liquidity run like that. But on higher time frame, I I love to have a keep a bigger stop loss because when I'm trading on the higher time frame, I always put a like 20 to 30 points of stops. And there is a benefit of having a bigger stop loss. You know why? Because like imagine like you're in drawdown, the about 10 or 15 pips drawdown, right? So you have a 30 pips stop loss. So when you draw down in of like 15 pips, you will probably see anything on the chart that indicates that your trade setup is not gonna give you that target today. So you will get a chance to get out of the trade. But on the lower time frames, we do not get that chance, bro. Like it's more volatile or choppy for me to trade lower time frame. I used to trade 1 minute time frame. If you see my old videos on this channel, you will see me trading 1 minute time frame. But I stopped that because I was not able to find that uh, you know what my own model. So yeah, I stopped trading that 1 minute time frame and yeah, started giving my every trade more time, bro. On now there is a 70 on with at the highs with US 30. Bro, I think we should wait for the 9:30 opening, bro. Even if there's any SMT on NAS with US 30, we should at least wait for the 9:30 opening. Yep. Where is the fucking US 30? There it is. Let me see that. Bro, US 30. Look at my chart. What the fuck? Okay, there's that fair value gap. US 30 tapped into that daily small fair value gap. If you can see, let me show you. If we have that small fair value gap on US 30, do we have anything? No. Are we in the discount right now? Let me check that also. We did not tap into this discount zone yet. You see that? So I'm not sure about US 30 today. Do we have any swing high on US 30? All right, we have this swing high. All right. Okay, we have a CB right there on US 30. Yep, we have to draw on liquidity right now in terms of buy side. We have this too. That's an internal range liquidity for me. I want to see like price go down one more time because we are not in the discount zone yet. Yes, just moving higher and higher, bro. What the fuck? But there was some good opportunities during the London session today. Yeah, bro, there were some good opportunities. Right here we had that SMT. So Chad, let me say something. What I want to see when we hit the 9:30 opening, I want to see like price take a retracement on NAS, while ES probably gonna take out this low, and we might continue higher from that period of time. That's what I want to see on NAS. I'll just leave it. There's a lot of time for that, bro. GU and Euro is right now ranging. What the fuck? Yeah, just stay out of Euro and GU today, chat. Stay out of these two. What the fuck is this, bro? Let me go back to USD cat. Alright, USD cat tapped one more time into that CB, that bearish fair value gap, and we have these low resistance liquidity runs right there. But we did not tap into the hourly CB. We have that hourly CB also on USD cat. Hmm. 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 Chad, tomorrow, keep your eyes on USD cat very much. Yep, just keep your eyes on USD cat, bro. GU and Euro just, bro. These are just shitty move, bro. Shitty movement. Fuck, I'm not gonna watch them anymore. Let me just look at NAS. Bros, I'm not feeling well, bro, today. What the fuck? See, again, it just shrinked. What the fuck, bro? Is that the opening? Yes, damn. Been drinking all this coffee. This last bit is something exhausting and lost in my imagination. And there's one thing that I need from you. Like, can you come true? Ooh, 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 true. Ooh, 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 ooh. And there's one thing that I need from you. Ooh, ooh. Like, can you come true? All right. Chat, how many of you have like 9 to 5 jobs or something else beside just trading? How many of you have some other income stream and what is that? Put it on the chat. Where is the cat? What the fuck? It's been a long time. Okay, we hit the 9 a.m. What the fuck is this, bro? What is even Euro doing right now? Just move, motherfucker. Bro, how much more Nas gonna continue higher, bro? What the fuck? Nas is just going higher and higher, bro. Founder bro, when, how long are they been in this prop industry, bro? Let me just check a little bit. I don't see any like mention on the X, bro, about them. Never heard of them. Just a few years now. What are you even saying? Let me check a bit. This is a big week for them. They also started future accounts. Have you traded with them last year? Do you have an account still with them? But I blew two accounts. All right. So you didn't took any more challenge with them no, I went to features. All right. You take profit trader. All right. They do not have a lot of consistency rules. Just 5 days to pass and you get funded. Bro, futures prop firm are good, bro. They have the like this one phase program, and the profit target is not even too much. Yeah, bro. They also have trading view connected. So yeah, there are some pretty good opportunities, bro, for future traders. I'll also probably soon gonna trade futures too. But can you like purchase account from Funder Pro with cryptos or what? And do they pay out through crypto or not? Bro, but uh, their pricings are high, I see. I have, let me just, uh, all right. Yeah, their pricings are too high, bro. And you mentioned that daily, yep, that daily viewers accounts are like 139 bucks, bro, for a 10K. That daily rewards, and for one phase, no, daily rewards 10,000 accounts like 139 and 400k, bro, 549. Those are too high. But I think FTM is better, bro. Where did they get your mail, bro? Then, if they sent you uh, affiliations invitation, where did they even funding takes is better in terms of many things currently. Bro, they're just I think funding takes is right now new to the industry. Yeah, and they're uh, like another part of funding tips, so they're supposed to be good, bro. And they're paying traders. Yeah, I kind of feel like that Apex is gonna go ghost after like maybe half an year. I kind of feel like because they're paying huge amount, bro. If they stay, that's good, but you know that it's tough to trust these props company these days. What the fuck is going on? Been shaking, drinking all this coffee. This last feel like something exhausting. Lasting my generation. There's one thing that I need from you. Can you come true? Apex is denying small traders bail. Many small traders bail. Like that's the reality, bro. I think uh, spending a little more or money on FTMO accounts is better, bro. FTMO is in the industry for too long right now, and they don't even like partner up with any of these influencer or anything because they know they're the best in the industry, and then they don't even need this need to like have any sponsors uh, or anyone to like you know advertise about them. And yeah, and also there is another one. The five percenters are pretty good, I think. Five percenters are also a better choice in terms of like from all these props. Five percenters are is also a good choice, bro. Higher highs. All right, Geo's gonna go down, bro. Geo's gonna go down right now. Trust me on that. Geo's, if I'm not wrong, Geo gonna take out this low. We have a inefficiency right there below those relative equal lows. But you can have a 1:1 trade right now. Or like, yeah, with that high. Yep. How much is it? Let me see. Okay, that's a one trade. If you want to take a trade, you can right now because we have a SMT right there. You see, Euro made these higher highs, and Geo did not made any higher high. It's rejecting from that rejection block on the left. But that's up to you, chat. If you want to get into a trade, you should uh, look at GBP right now. Okay, it tapped into a small CB right now. There it goes. 5%ers are best for Forex. Yeah, bro, 5%ers are best. One time I had like an affiliation invitation from them, but already partnered with like Phenotype, and another one was at this Atlas Fund. So yeah, I didn't go with one more another. Chad, I have an idea. Like, should I trade prop firms accounts on Discord Live? Do you guys want to stay like me trading these live prop accounts? But I'm afraid like that's gonna mess my head though. Like I'm gonna consider too many things. There will be too much stress on me trading those accounts in front of you. So I'm a little bit confused about that. But I had that idea uh, since a since a while right now. Right, there's 15 minutes left for the 9:30 opening. Alright, it's rejecting. GU is rejecting right now. And it goes there. But Euro is falling right now. Mm, yeah, there are some. Yeah, GU is gonna fall, bro. Everything in the everything's indicating right now that GU want to fall, bro. What the fuck? But I feel like GU at least should take out the Asian sessions low. If not today, then tomorrow. Then we see a swing low forms there. What I'm gonna consider as the low of the week, and then we'll probably continue going higher. That's what I want to see this week. That's most of the time. That's what I want to see. There it goes. And this is gonna be a quicker run, bro. Trust me on that. G is gonna go quicker, bro. Yep. If anyone took this trade, just yeah, the thing I always say, like manage your risk, bro. Do you trade micro SMP? No, bro, I don't trade SMP, bro. I trade NAS only. In in term of indices, I only trade NAS. What the fuck? I covered that. Okay, when we hit the 9:30, I'll probably start looking at uh, NAS, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm feeling hungry right now. I'm just waiting for the 9:30 opening. And I'll probably end the stream. Alright, chat, just give me a moment, bro. I have an, I have a call to attend. Just give me a second. I tried. I'm back. Let me check this for the. So far it's doing good. All right, it's worked. Chad, what do you think? Are we gonna continue lower on this trade or make a little bit money? Or it's just gonna be another loss for today? What do you think? What the fuck was the network? All right, there's like 10 minutes left for the 9:30 opening bell, bro. What up? What up? What up? All right, I don't want to see GU just trade one more time up there. Right there, that small fair value gap would remain unfilled. There is a small fair value gap right there. I don't want to like even want to see a week into that, but it's taking time, bro. What's you're doing? You're just going nice. Keep in mind that when it moves in your favor, just every time it take out some lows, look how it reacts, and yeah, always take like something off. Bro, ICT didn't posted any video or lecture today. All right, we see some aggressive candle right now. Already how much point? All right, it's already moved like 5 pips right there. If we count from that fair value gap there, our initial entry was right there. So if we count that, then it already moved like almost 7 pips. Tonight, 8 p.m. EST. All right. Fuck, bro. I'm exhausted. What the fuck? And hungry as fuck right now. See, Chad, that's the thing with my model or strategy, if you want to say. Always try to flow with the market because on the daily time frame we're bullish right now, but if we go to a lower time frame, it's now in a range market and we might seek some sell side liquidity. Bro, I traded the weekend because uh, as you know, I stay alone. I live alone and I get bored, bro. I don't have anything to do besides making videos. I did make a video. You already probably seen that video on my channel, but yeah, I get bored, bro. That's the thing with when you're living alone. There's 4 minutes left for the 9:30 opening. On the 5 minute chart, you could see there was an immediate rebalance. So that was an immediate rebalance. And on the 3 minute chart, that's a fair value gap tap. 5 minute 5 minute time frame are too clean for me. That's why I love to trade 5 minute, 15 minutes, sometimes 30-minute time frame. And yeah, my favorite is 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. All right, it's moving. Bro, what the fuck? Yeah, once we close below that low right there, that swing low right there, once we close below that, uh, we will go lower, bro. But make sure to manage your risk on this trade if you are in. Yeah, that it. Okay, we have 1 minute 40 seconds left for the 9:30 opening. Let's have a look at NAS. Bro, there's nothing on NAS, bro. We made higher highs on each of them. I kind of think like the news, I mean the opening bells gonna be bearish for NAS and ES. Then after that we probably gonna see some upward movement on both of them because US 30 is struggling to break those highs. You tapped into a 1 hour prayer value. It did, bro. Alright, we have 40 seconds left for the news. Yeah, I tapped into a 1 hour fair value gap. And we have this SMT right now. See, that's the thing. I'm not trading today. There's no volatility today. You see all this range price extend is just gonna chop you out, bro. It's too choppy. All right, we hit the news. I mean the 9:30 opening bar. Let's okay. So we tapped on to the first projection. There are two left. Mm. All right. Yes, made the lower low. Bro, what the fuck? What the fuck just happened on US 30, bro? Alright, US 30 going for that um, CB right there. And you probably gonna fall. That's what I'm expecting on GU, bro. Yup. Alright. What the fuck? US 30 is always a 6 sister. Yes, bro. US 30 is the 6 sister. What the fuck? What the fuck just happened? Bro, I think US 30 uh, gonna run for this low. The Asian session slow and the London session slow. All right, next step into the second projection. No, it's moving like crazy. We tap into the second duration. There's one thing about trading, bro, that's funny, but like that's the most hard thing for traders. Like we easily spot others' mistake while they're trading, but when we're supposed to trade, then we don't even see our own mistakes. Like that funny to me because I'm saying because yesterday I saw some like small YouTubers uh, trading live. Uh, I think they created those accounts on the maybe on Thursday or Friday, I guess. But I can spot their mistakes easily. But when we get to trading, sometimes we just don't uh, see our own mistakes, bro. Right now, it's moving. Use that candle side. That's too close to our projections. Okay, if we see a close below that, we might, alright, it might continue lower. Lower. Yup. I think, Or we might make another SMT right like this with ES, maybe a lower high on net, then continue lower. Chat, I think I'm gonna end the stream today because I'm exhausted, bro. I don't have the strength to uh, look at this chart anymore. I'm not feeling well. Yeah, I'm just gonna end the stream. Let's have a look at Geo. Alright, Geo still struggling, but Geo moved like 1 hour in our favor too, bro. Just like the previous one, previous first trade, Geo already moved like 1 hour on that trade. Whatever, chat. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Till then, be safe and yep, safe trading and do not over trade, chat. Do not over trade. Yep, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Love you all, chat.